and you will find that you've arrived in Frightenstein. Perhaps the Count will find a way to make his monster work today. For if he solves this monster mania, he can return to Transylvania. So welcome where the sun won't shine, to the castle of Count Frightenstein.
Another lovely day begins for those ghouls with greenish skin. So close your eyes and you will find that you've arrived in Frightenstein. Hi, I'm Mitch Markowitz from the Hilarious House of Frightenstein. You don't have to be a monster to be a bully.
Welcome to Frightenstein. Bullying is for the birds, Igor. Are you a bully or you just dress up, stand on blocks, and make yourself intimidating?
No, Master, bullying is wrong.
You shouldn't try to act tough or bully others. You should be happy with you.
So very true.
Look, Master, Dr. Petvet is here.
Hi, everyone. Animals are people too, so remember not to be mean to them and not to bully them.
That's true.
I am the Wolf Man. Did someone say animals? Get your jive on and be good to all people, no matter what they look like, even if they are hairy or howl at the moon.
Ooh, and it doesn't matter what job you do either.
The moral of every story is be good to others and treat them the way you want to be treated.
Hi, I'm Griselda. Variety is the spice of life. If we all come together, we'll make a great stew. Oh.
The formula is simple. Addition by subtraction minus all bullying behavior. Got it?
The world should be a perfect place for peace and harmony. Let love rule.
Your future is always brighter when you bring sunshine into people's lives. Let your smile light the way.
Ooga booga. Bullying is for the birds.
Remember, all bullying is bullying, so help be a difference maker and stop it.